Getting your first videos approved for the Amazon Influencer Program to be eligible for commissions is easier than you think. I'm going to walk you through the entire process today. This is for people who have got their social accounts approved, and now it's time to submit 3 videos to Amazon to have them approve them so you are able to earn commission. So these videos will be reviewed by an actual person. So we're going to want to make sure these are absolutely perfect. You're going to want to spend some time on this. I failed my first time. You get 3 attempts to submit 3 videos. I was being an idiot, didn't know anything, had no information. So I'm going to walk you through it, go over the mistakes I made. I'm actually going to review 3 products live to show you exactly how I would do it. And I also have this checklist here. If you want this, you could download the review and earn quick start guide. It is totally free. There'll be a link down below for you to get that. So let's go through this checklist one by one, and then we'll go to the videos. So right off the bat, you want to show your face. You do not have to show your face for all the videos, but for these first videos, Amazon wants to know you're a real person and wants to see you. Now, don't worry, that does not mean you have to show your face in every video moving forward or once you get these 3 approved, but this is going to be important. That was one thing I messed up. I think I reviewed like a box of Legos and I was just showing the box of Legos. It wasn't even open. It was a mess, but show your face. Number 2, make sure the lighting is bright and you could just see. You don't want to be blurry. You don't want to be in a dark room. Literally, this does not mean you need a lighting setup. A phone is going to be fine for you, and just a room with the lights on. That's it. The audio is clear. That will be simple too. You could record on an iPhone. You do not need a mic or anything like that. You just don't want to have background noise or the TV on. Like, you want it to just be really clear and crisp. You want each video to be at least a minute long. So this is just kind of just to do the first couple. Most of my videos are between 45 seconds and a minute long, or sometimes I go a little over, just really depends. But you want to make sure you explain it enough. You can just go a little slower. Amazon just wants to know you could describe a product for over a minute. Clean film in a clean, neutral space. You'll see here, this is my podcast setup. You do not need that at all. I got approved in just in front of a white wall, using my iPhone. Just no clutter in the background. We'll go over some of the things to avoid in a second. Wearing clean, plain clothes. I'd wear something like this. You can see here, this is not labeled or anything like that. I would not be wearing my podcast shirt that says Side Hustle Experiment Podcast on it. Where if you don't like get super crazy, like if you had like a little logo over here or something, you just don't want really words or anything like that on it. So that's that. Background clutter free. And then in the video, you don't want any kids, pets, or other people to be in it. Just you sitting right here, just like this. Do not include. So you don't want to start with health or medical supplement products. You're just going to have all sorts of issues. There's claims. Just don't do it. No brand logo on clothing, posters, and mugs. We kind of talked about that already. No personal information. So this is going to be critical. Like, for example, if you're filming in your kitchen and you're in front of a fridge and there's magnets or pictures on the back, maybe it's an address to the pizza place, or maybe it's your kid's face or whatever. Anything that appears in that background is going to cause problems, or products too that have warning signs or anything like that on them. So take that into note. No filming in the bathroom or the bed. Just don't do it. Don't even ask. No music, no jokes or edits. Just keep it simple. Just keep it simple. That's self-explanatory. No other people or pets in the frame. We already went over that. No profanity, no sarcasm or wild energy. Just be yourself. They're looking for people who are real and just doing their thing and why you want to buy the products. So for these first couple products, I go over it in the guide, but the best kind of stuff to start with is a wallet, computer mouse, phone stand, notebook, desk lamp, just super simple stuff. So This is exactly how I would do these videos, and I'll walk through them a little bit more. So when you're first doing your videos, you kind of want to do a little intro. I don't really do it anymore, but I'd be like, all right, so we're going to do this wallet right here. Hey guys, my name is John, and today I'm going to review my favorite wallet. I absolutely love this thing. So, right off the bat, what I like about it, it's small, it's compact, it's thin, perfect, kind of that minimalist wallet, which I really like. I like the fact right here we got a little money clip, so it's really easy to kind of put your money right in there. You don't have to worry about it getting out super tight right there. I am kind of old school and do like to carry some cash with me. So I like that part about it. Then we have this right over here. So a clear pouch. This is great for work stuff or any ID that you need to kind of throw in there. We got a little pouch down here, which is great. We got two pouches on the outside. And then my favorite part right here is this right here. So when you push that down, your cards are going to come out. They stay secure. You can get about 8 to 12 cards in there, which I really like. You don't have to worry about kind of fumbling through like some other wallets. So if you're looking for a great wallet, definitely check this one out. I really like it and enjoy. So that would be one video for the wallet. It would be probably a little smoother. I don't have a timer here, so I'm guessing that was close to 1 minute. But a couple of things to note about this. So right off the bat, there are no cards in here because as soon as you flash the cards up, Amazon's going to flag that you're giving away your personal cards and your information. So later on, there are ways to demonstrate that, but for this, it doesn't matter. You'll also notice here when I showed this clear pouch, I didn't say, oh, this is great for personal information or your identity. It's secure. You don't want to use words like that. I just said ID or work badge. So some things to note on that. Super, super simple. Next up is going to be this Ringo. So here we go. What's up, guys? Today I'm reviewing one of my favorite water bottles, and it's not just a water bottle. It is actually for content creators. I didn't believe it. I take this to the gym with me all the time. So a couple of things about this. This holds 30 ounces of water and will keep it cold, which I really like personally. But my favorite part about this is this top piece right over here. So when you pop this up just like this actually is a stand. So if you have a phone, it is a magnet. So you can push this back or forward as much as you want. And this is going to give you the perfect angle. So if you're at the gym doing a lift or something, you don't have to post your phone onto something. You could literally put it on this. This is also great for just filming in your kitchen or wherever you want. Or if you want to make videos just sitting down, it is perfect for that. I just really like this a lot. This is what it looks like on the inside as well. Really, really great product. This really is great because I could have my water bottle. I'm storing my water bottle, a tripod, and also something to tap this to. So if you're looking for a great stand in the gym or for content in general that keeps your water cold, definitely check this one out. So that one right there, you'll see at one point in the video, I might have had like a little stumble and I was thinking that's totally fine because it just makes me appear normal. It's not a big deal, but if you kind of like really messed it up, that's fine. But you'll see here, simple water bottle, really, really interesting. What I didn't say in this video, it's BPA free. It doesn't have chemicals. Stuff like that you want to avoid. You could have this isn't, but if you put it in the dishwasher, you could say stuff like that. But you want to avoid any claims in fairness to that. Next up is going to be a book. Books are super easy, and most people have books in their house. I wouldn't do all three for a book review, all three for your first three reviews, but one is fine. So what's up, guys? Today I wanted to go over one of my books. This is The Dark Side of Discipline. Stop Chasing, Suffer Left, Achieve More. This is by Craig Ballantyne and Daniel Woodrow. This is all about becoming more disciplined. This book is packed with action strategies. Really, really like this a lot. It is a short read. So if you look back here, it's less than 150 pages, which I really like. It's about 125 with all the credits in there, which makes this a short read. Really actionable, really knowledgeable. I actually really like both of these guys. I actually follow them on Instagram, but it just shows you that the normal kind of everyday hacks that people go through are kind of fake, and they kind of give you the blueprint to just be more disciplined. And it's really about creating a life that you want and not what everyone else tells you. So if you're looking for a great read and to get more disciplined and to get more done in the day, definitely check this book out. So that one is pretty self-explanatory. You just want to think, when doing any of these videos, you want to think, why did I buy this? Why do I have this? And just like you're talking to a friend. We'll do one more here. Everyone probably has one of these, a phone case. Hey guys, it's John. Today we're going to be reviewing my favorite phone case. This is the Sup case. You can see right here, this is what it is like with my phone not on it. And then what I like about it is when you put the phone on just like this, just snaps in there really, really nice. And you have that protection. I don't really like when they have a film on this or anything like that. I like this. I've had this for 2 or 3 years, and trust me, I'm a content creator and have dropped this phone plenty of times and I've had no issues. The other thing I really like about this is how the cuts are. So you can see everything is precise. I could hit these very easily. Really, really like this. Does not block the camera at all either. So if you're looking for a great phone case, definitely check this one out. So there you go. That's kind of how you have it there. Right at the end there, obviously I'm doing this in real time, a notification popped up. You want to make sure that doesn't happen in this case, but that is super easy. I know everyone has a phone case, but just be yourself. Follow the checklist right here, and you'll get those 3 videos approved.